About 1 year ago, I reviewed Roborock's first wet and dry vacuum cleaner, the Dyad, and I spoke highly about it. And I personally viewed it as an ultimate cleaning solution for homes and apartments. And now, the Dyad Pro is here. So in this video, I'm gonna answer some of the questions you may care about most. What are the Pro parts, and should you upgrade it or should you buy it? Without further ado, let's get started.
Started. Empty the dirty tank to prevent odors.
Alright, that's the unboxing assembly. It's very simple. Let's check out the design. It has the same design language, or looks almost the same as its predecessor, but there are still some new added parts. So on top, we have the self-clean. Moving down, we have two buttons. Here is the power key. You press to start or pause. Press and hold for 2 seconds. And switch off. Moving up, this is the mode button. Or moving down, we have the LED display. It shows you basically everything you want, like which mode you're in, and battery level, and also there's the dirt level and other stuff. And here is the clean tank release. Just press and take this clean tank off. Alright, moving down is the dirt tank, and this release button, just press to take it out. As you can see, the dirt tank is much larger than the clean tank, right? So here it has some filters, and also this filter. Alright, let's move to the cleaning head. So here, as you can see, there is a detergent cartridge here, and this is something new on this generation that don't have this on the first generation. So here you can put some detergent here, and then it will auto dispense the detergent, so it's very convenient. If you're wondering what this is, it is the splash guard lifted toggle. So move to the bottom, we have the wheels, and also several wheels there. And the most important, we have the front rollers and back rollers. And this consists dual rollers, 3 rollers, as you can see. And this definitely helps you have a better cleaning ability than others. So speaking of cleaning ability, let's test it. To use it, first we fill in some clean water, add some detergent, and put it back. Alright, that's it. Let's get started. Alright, reminds me to remove the dirty water tank. Holy smoke, I didn't expect this dirty. Ugh. Okay.
Self-cleaning started.
Just check this out. We hear some noise here. That means they are drying the roller. Just check out, it's totally dry. So it won't generate those terrible smells. And also we can see the brush rolls seems really clean right after the self-cleaning process. That's because of the smart base design. It has this kind of raised part, so when it starts self-cleaning, it kind of screw up the heads. That's pretty good. Yes, as you probably noticed, the Dyad Pro has an app. That's the home interface. Here we can see the battery level. Also, there are several modes here, like auto mode, max mode. And here, if you click in the settings, you can even choose like suction force or water level and roller speed. And here, you can choose smart self-cleaning and drying settings. Voice alert settings, it supports several languages, or maintenance, or very simple, but very useful. Alright, that's the video. 3 things I'm really impressed. First is strong, unbelievable cleaning ability. As you can see, it cleans all kinds of rubbish like a boss. Especially the edge cleaning is even better than the last generation. Normally for products like this, it is a lot of trouble to clean edge, but with the Dyad Pro, that's the least thing you need to worry. So that's just crazy good. Second is ease of use and ease maintenance. The Dyad Pro looks heavy, but when you use it, it's not heavy at all because it has this dual motor and this kind of traction. You just basically use one finger to clean your whole room. Yeah, it's that easy. And most important thing is it has this kind of self-cleaning and self-drying. So it saves you lots of trouble. And third is the app. Not so many wet and dry vacuum cleaners come with that, right? So to conclude, if you have the first generation, the Dyad, then I wouldn't recommend you buy this because the first generation is already good enough. And well, on the Pro, it has some pro parts like some new designs and also the cleaning abilities and also the app. But it's not like groundbreaking, so don't need to upgrade. But if you don't have one and want to try one, then I would definitely recommend this Dyad Pro. It is one of the best, if not the best, I've ever tested. And if you are interested in this vacuum cleaner, please check out the link in the description and get one now. Thanks for watching, I'm Sammy. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.